The much anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro was spotted in the real world. This upcoming compact drone is expected to launch soon, but it was seen in the wild without a propeller cage. It could be an early version of the brand's latest Mini lineup. In the video shared on X, the new DJI Mini 5 Pro was seen sitting in the grass. A rider on his bike passed by the fallen drone. After spotting it, he went out to check it. The short video didn't showcase the Mini 5 Pro from a close distance, but shared a digitally dropped image. This pixelated image does not reveal finer details except its overall design and lack of propeller cage. This could be the DJI Mini 5 Pro prototype that was spotted in the wild. Looking at it, the latest mini drone from the company can be with LIDAR sensor on the front and ventilated motors. While the camera specs are unknown, recent rumors point out to 1-inch camera sensor for improved picture quality. A tip from prominent drone leaker has also revealed that it could be arriving sooner than expected. To recall, its predecessor debuted in September 2023, while DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to come out August 7, 2025. This is an unconfirmed rumor and sighting, so we should take it as a pinch of salt at the moment.